Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy snack in the microwave. It just takes about 3 minutes or so. If you want to see how I do it, keep looking. Today I am making roasted peanuts in the microwave. It is so quick and so easy. I'll be using 1 cup of raw shelled peanuts. I'm going to put it in a plate or bowl like that, taking it to the microwave, and we'll be doing it for 3 minutes. Turning every 30 seconds or so. Started already, so every 30 seconds we'll be turning it, and coming to the end you'll turn it more than 30 seconds, maybe every 20 seconds or so. First turning, and then we'll start again. I'm going to stop it before because I think it's finished. It depends on the temperature of your oven also. This is what it looks like coming out of the microwave, and I'm just going to go over there and place it now. This is what it looks like when it's finished, and to keep it nice and evenly colored, you turn it very often, like every 30 seconds. Coming to the end a little more often, and it's a really quick snack. You know, you just want to munch on something. Here you are, Trini style roasted peanuts in the microwave. If you like my recipe, subscribe, like, and share. And if you want me to make anything special, just let me know in your comments in the bottom. Thank you for looking. Bye.